Marker Culver Speedokote Refinish Network. Alright guys, so we got a quick bumper job today. I know you guys have seen me do a million bumpers in the past. However, I got a question last week on a clear that I don't often talk about. High gloss, super fast clear coat. This is one of our specialty clears used for specialty applications. The main purpose of this clear, it was designed for mobile bumper technicians, spraying bumpers outside. And a lot of mobile technicians are looking for a clear that will dry in the snap of a finger, so it will lock out the dust and the environmental contaminants out of the clear coat as soon as possible. Now, as you guys can see, we are also in my garage. This is also an ideal clear coat for those DIY guys spraying in their garages at home. We also want a clear coat that is going to lock out the dust faster. And we have it for you. This is it. This is the best product for that use. We got some K23 base, just the basic silver. We're gonna lay 2 coats of base down and then get to clear. So for the bumper, we got a nice, respectable, smooth finish out of it. Now, the one thing a lot of you guys will love about this clear is there is no flash time on this clear. So you do your first coat, maybe let it sit for about 30 seconds, go straight back to where you started, smash a second coat on there, and you're done. So that means a couple of things. You are actually closing the window and the amount of time that you're letting trash land in your paint job. And then also for those guys that do production style work, they're doing multiple bumpers a day, 6 to 10 bumpers a day. Guys, that is way less flash time you are cutting out of your jobs by simply picking a clear that has no flash time. And as you guys can see, all that is being achieved without compromising a quality finish. Nice high gloss, looks really smooth, nice 2 coats. This will last and this will look good. If you guys are interested in it, www.speedokote.com. Guys, $99, full kit, full gallon of clear, full quart of activator, and on top of that, free shipping. So that wraps up the video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.